Ever wondered how the heat beneath our feet could be the secret weapon in the fight against climate change? Yes, we're talking about geothermal energy, a clean and sustainable alternative to traditional power sources. Hidden beneath the Earth's crust, this power source is a constant, reliable companion. It's like a superhero of energy, harnessing the Earth's heat to generate electricity and warm our buildings. Unlike the sun that sets or the wind that calms, geothermal energy is always there, ready to serve, making it a dependable friend in our quest for renewable energy. It's got the stamina of a marathon runner, providing power around the clock, distinguishing it from its renewable counterparts like wind and solar energy. But it's not just about power generation. Geothermal energy is also about resilience, requiring less land and offering stability without the need for additional storage solutions. It's like the steady hand guiding us through the storm of climate change. As we dig deeper, let's explore how geothermal energy is upending the energy sector and shaping our sustainable future. Solar and wind energy have been the poster children for renewable energy. But could geothermal energy be the dark horse in this race? When we think about renewable energy, solar and wind power often come to mind. They've certainly made their mark. But let's not forget about geothermal energy, the underdog that's steadily gaining ground. Unlike solar and wind power, which are subject to the whims of the weather, geothermal energy is constant. It's always there beneath the surface, waiting to be tapped into. Now imagine this. It's a calm, cloudy day. Your solar panels aren't soaking up much sunlight and your wind turbines aren't spinning. But deep underground, the Earth's heat is still there, ready to be converted into electricity by geothermal power plants. That's the beauty of geothermal energy. It's reliable, it's constant, and it doesn't depend on the weather. But that's not all. There's something else that sets geothermal energy apart. It's called Enhanced Geothermal Systems, or EGS for short. This advanced technique takes geothermal energy to the next level. It doesn't just harness the Earth's heat, it also provides grid stabilization and long-duration energy storage. In other words, it's a powerhouse that keeps the electricity grid steady and stores energy for when it's needed. In the renewable energy race, geothermal energy may not be as visible as solar and wind power, but with its constant power generation and advanced techniques like EGS, it's proving to be a strong contender. Geothermal power's ability to operate around the clock gives it a unique advantage over other renewable sources. How can the heat beneath our feet help us meet the electricity demands of bustling cities while reducing carbon emissions? This is where the magic of geothermal energy comes into play. It's not just about harnessing the Earth's heat to generate electricity, it's about how this power can contribute to decarbonizing our electricity grid. Imagine cities like Los Angeles, where the demand for electricity is extensive. With its constant and reliable power supply, geothermal energy could be the answer to meet this demand. Unlike wind and solar energy, geothermal power doesn't sleep. It operates around the clock, providing a steady flow of electricity that our modern cities need. Now let's talk about land use. Geothermal power plants require less land compared to other renewable energy sources. This makes them a more efficient choice in densely populated areas where land is at a premium. But the benefits don't stop there. Geothermal energy offers resilience in the face of power outages. It's a stable power source that doesn't rely on the weather or need additional storage solutions. So, what does this all mean for our fight against climate change? By harnessing the power beneath our feet, we can significantly reduce carbon emissions while meeting our growing energy needs. Through its potential to meet extensive power demands and reduce carbon emissions, geothermal energy is proving to be a promising player in reshaping energy policy. As we stand on the brink of a sustainable energy revolution, where does geothermal energy fit in? It's becoming clear that this underappreciated power source is destined to play a pivotal role. Tapping into the Earth's natural heat, geothermal energy provides a reliable and constant power supply, distinguishing it from other renewable sources like wind and solar. Advanced techniques like Enhanced Geothermal Systems, or EGS, push the boundaries even further, offering grid stabilization and long-duration energy storage. But the real game changer lies in geothermal energy's potential to help decarbonize the electricity grid. With cities like Los Angeles recognizing its value, geothermal energy may soon become a cornerstone of sustainable urban development. And let's not forget about resilience. Geothermal power plants require less land and don't need additional storage solutions. This robustness makes them a promising player in reshaping energy policies amidst climate change. beneath the surface lies a powerful solution to our energy needs. Geothermal power isn't just upending the energy sector, it's paving the way for a sustainable and resilient future.